Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw Chibi Gigan from Godzilla. It's a really awesome kaiju. Let's get started. Okay, it's going to be a chibi version. So right now I'm going to start over here and curve out, down. By the way, if you know who Gigan is, give me a thumbs up. Absolutely give me a thumbs up right now. I feel like a lot of people don't know who this character is, but I love his design. Curving back up over here, he's got a bird beak. Alright. Curve over here. He's got a spike on the side of that bird beak. Curve right here on one side. Go over here. Curve on the other side. Line over here for kind of a thin line. It's got like a change of plane. If you don't know what a plane is, go check out my Skillshare stuff in the description. It talks all about planes and what those are. Gonna go over here now. Curve for the top of that bird beak. Line out over here for a little bit of skin. Curve over here for underneath the eye of Gigan. Line up over here for the eye. And line over here. Gigan is actually one of my favorite kaiju. I like him, Violante, and obviously Godzilla, but I meant everybody outside of Godzilla. I love these Gigan and Violante. I have another drawing of Violante, so if you go check that out later on this channel, you can just do a search, or I'll try to link it below. Okay, so that's his eyes. He's got like these kind of visor for his eyes. We're gonna go kind of below here and draw the under part of the mouth, so the lower part of the beak. Line back, line back. Curve over here, up. Fill that in. Alright, now you have the tongue right there. Line for the split in the tongue. And if you have any other kaijus, by the way, you want me to draw as a chibi form or a realistic form, let me know, okay? And I will do it. Just let me know in the comment section right now. Curve up. And he's got this spike on his head. He's basically like all spikes. It's funny. Curve up. Down. Back over here. Downward. Alright. Just gonna down his back. Gonna draw a line right here for under his neck. And then I'm going to draw a curved line for his stomach. Right there. Alright. Let's go over here and draw his arm. Sticking out the side over here. Out. Remember, it's a chibi form, by the way. This is like a cute version of him. If you want to learn how to draw anything cute, anything, and I mean anything, go check out the ebook on how to draw something cute. It is it's a completely free ebook I put out just because people kept asking me. So there's a free ebook and it goes over the proportions of cute. Head is larger, maybe the eyes are larger, but the mouth is smaller sometimes depending on the character. It's a visual chart that I just put out there for free. Go take a look at that. Like I said, it's in the description. You'd have to find it though, that's the only problem. Curving in. And his hand right here is it's like a hook, which is funny. His design is so out there. Curve right here for that hook hand. Alright. Curve line here for kind of the difference of his skin and from the actual hook. Line over here for the arm. And the rest of the arm up here. Line over here. Line over here. Down over there for the foot. Line over here. Hind leg. Remember, he's going to be shorter and squattier because of the whole chibi thing. Lower portion of the foot here. And he even has a spike on his foot, which is really funny. He's got like a spike everywhere. It's funny. Line over here. keep pulling this lower, and then he's gonna have a tail back here, but we're gonna make it really short, like a Pokemon or something. Cool, cool. Now he has these spikes in his chest, which is funny. So I'm gonna go over here. See that? Just keep drawing it all the way down. He has this buzzsaw on his chest. It's funny because there's no way he'd like. I don't know how he would function, to be honest. Line over there. Draw another line on the outside of that for, you know, the far side stomach. That's kind of what it represents. And then we're going to draw his leg on the hind leg back there. Line over here. Out, down. Up, back, up here. Curve, line, line, line. Line over here, just kind of like the creases underneath his foot. And then we're going to draw his other hand reaching out over here. His other hook hand. On the far side, right there, in the back, right? So, let's go into like smaller details. Don't forget to hit that like I said, if you like Godzilla or anything like that, because that's going to make a huge difference in how many Godzilla drawings I put on here. Let's go over here into the back, and we'll draw his wings. He has a wingspan line out, line over here, and then zigzag, zigzag. He's got like a crazy design. He designed stuff, I don't know, it's funny. He's just got spikes everywhere. Line, line. Think of it like a dragon wing or something, you know, there's like the bony parts. Like so. We're gonna go over here on this side. Draw that far side wing also. Let's go here, the spike. Up, down, up, down. Curve over here, in, back, line over here, downward. Alright, now he's got a pattern on his chest, okay? Pattern's pretty cool. Also, I'm gonna put a line over here to show the kind of the difference in the shape of like the spikes, like going from the top down. That's like showing difference in plane, like the plane area. Out, down over here, in. Okay, there's a texture all around here, and that's what we're gonna put. So, draw little U shapes. You can just kind of draw it quickly in here. It doesn't have to be a long process. Excuse me. Kind of looks like we're making our own coloring book, right? Check out the coloring books that we have on Amazon. I'm putting a link in the description. Go take a look. Or it's the very first link in the description, actually. And then the last thing is he has a little like dot on his head, which I forgot what it was, to be honest. That little tiny dot. It's a circle with two lines on the outside of it. And if you want, you can maybe throw a little bit of a line here, thin line, for maybe some reflection on that lens of an eye. And then you can draw maybe he has some teeth down here, but it's not like a lot. And maybe draw difference in line right there. That is mostly it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. You can always draw like extra details, like lines right here where it bends. Things where it bends over here. There's a lot of stuff you can do. I want to thank you. You are amazing. Don't forget to check out the coloring books that we offer on Amazon. All you got to do is go check the very first link in this. There's like cat drawing coloring books, dinosaur ones. There's a bunch of different stuff. If you like coloring, that just kind of goes hand in hand with drawing. Take a look at that. They're on sale right now. Go take a look. I'll see you next time, okay?